Welcome back. Today we're going to look at random number generation. In programming, computers are completely predictable. They only do exactly what we tell them to do. Sometimes, especially when making games or simulations, we need unpredictable behavior. If you're coding a board game, you need to simulate rolling a dice. If you're coding a sports game, you need a coin toss. Today we're going to do we're going to code a dice roll. We'll build it in both Python and also reference language. So you are ready for anything for paper 2 throws at you. Let's start with the OCR reference language. This is exactly how you will see it in your exams. So let me go to my OCR reference language. Let's try print rolling the dice dot dot dot. You can see print is exactly the same as in Python, nothing different there. Dice equals random dot not random open bracket 1 to 6, and then print you rolled a concatenate with a plus string. We convert it to a string, whatever we rolled, because we want to this is a number and we're going to convert it to a string. And here we go, rolling a dice, you rolled a 1. Let's play again. You choose a random number between 1 and 6, and you can keep on going. Every time it will ask you and it will work. In the OCR language, it is incredibly simple to generate the number. We just use the keyword random. That's it. And inside the bracket, we give a minimum and the maximum, 1 and 6. We want to standard dice, so we do 1 and 6. When we run it, the computer picks a random number between 1 and 6, inclusive, it's including 1 and 6, and we run it again, we get a different number every time. Unpredictable result. Now, let's switch over to Python. Python is slightly different. We need a bit of extra work. We need to import the random library. Because it keeps its random tools locked away in saved memory, we need to import random. This is the most crucial step. We must write import random at the very top of our program. If you forget this line, your code will crash. Let's do the same thing again. This time we're going to do it in Python. Print rolling the dice. Dice equals, this is where it gets a bit different. We write random dot rand int 1, 6. Print you rolled a plus, and we're going to again cast using string to convert that number. Remember, this is a random integer between 1 and 6 into string. Press play, and we have crashed. So it should have been import random, and I've spelled in import random. Should be random. There we go. Now it's working. Spelling matters. Random must be spelled correctly. And it works exactly the same. Just like in OCR reference language, we provide the 1 and 6 inside the brackets. When we run it, we get our perfectly simulated dice roll. A very common 3-mark exam question asks you to simulate a coin toss. Let's write this in Python. The trick is to generate a random number between 1 and 2, and then use a simple if statement to translate that into text. So we've got random already. We're going to write coin equals random. Make sure we spell it right this time. Got rand int 1 and 2. If coin is equal to 1, print it landed on heads, else print it landed on tails. Let's try that out. Landed on heads, heads, tails, 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 heads. So it's like flipping a coin, and we use this time between 1 and 2, and that is all there is to it. Just remember the slight difference between the random. In Python, you're going to do import random and randint, but in OCR reference language, you just need to write random. There's no importing needed. That's it for random generation.